Hi there, Martin from Robalyst coming in. JP Morgan just reported its numbers for the last quarter of 2019 and will be our main focus today. Before that though, I was thinking about the famous free lunch concept. There are many free lunches in computer science, in machine learning. Once Rockefeller invited some friends to spend a week in his mansion. They had a great time together. A week later, he sent them a nice bill for the free lunches. What am I talking about? JP Morgan gained market share worldwide last quarter. If you run back on Robalyst the previous reports about JPM, you wouldn't be surprised. Not at all. Let's see what happened. Net revenue went up 8% because of principal transactions, aka trading. True. It was a very weak quarter a year ago, so you get a low barrier to pass. Still, JPM's principal transactions doubled. Why? Because fixed income market ops went up 86%. That's a nice way to make money. You know that bond prices will go up because there is a permanent bidder. But there is a catch. You need to be aware at least a quarter upfront, if not a bit longer. That's trading one-on-one from JP Morgan, and they pumped it into principal transactions. Now the hard part. Net interest income fell 1.3%. Because interest income fell 5%. So their portfolio proved to be sensitive to rate variations. As a proof, net interest spread fell 11 basis points to 2.1% due to investment securities that dropped in yield 72 basis points. At the same time, the bank grew deposits by 6% because of US interest-bearing deposits and also grew assets under management by 19%, which led to a 10% increase in the wealth management division revenues. Falling interest rates took their toll in the bank's more banking activities, with revenues at its commercial division shrinking by 3% because of a slump in net interest income. Despite this, the mighty consumer banking segment managed a 2.5% growth because of mortgage fees, which exploded by 134% compared to the last quarter of 2018. JPM booked a plus 15% pre-provision profit and 21% increase in net income because of investment banking and its operations on fixed income markets. Those trading profits won't continue forever, and knowing that, the bank is already taking measures for some time now to grow deposits and assets under management very, very well. If we go for a moment to Wall Street expectations, they are just as low as usual. Zero growth and shrinking profits. You already know what that means. It's very hard not to beat estimates like that. To return to the free lunch just right now, JPM is very well eating someone else's lunch because it's gaining market share globally. Can you imagine that all the theories that there is no free lunch happen to be true? To wrap up today's briefing, go and sign up to www.robalyst.com. Want to know more about Apple, Amazon or Coke? On Robalyst you'll receive all the answers you need, and just right now you'll get them for free. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel so you know the things that matter. More companies, reports and regular content are on their way. Also join us on Twitter and tell us what you think. See you soon.